I've been working on a way to compile all the 22 plus information, a lot of the team members work with into one site. Um, this is a way of just having each kind of key item that we all work on, where it's a link and quick and clickable. And obviously, this is just kind of in rough format what I'm about to show, but I think it will just help to kind of make a one-stop shop, so to speak, where if you need certain information, it can all be found, on this one site, or at least the links to what you need can be found on one site. Let me show you what I've gotten done so far. So I'm going to share my screen, and we'll share, and I'll present. Okay, so this is the test site here. Still kind of a work in progress. It's not going to it's supposed to be very functional. It's not going to be the world's best looking site, but it will be, I think, very helpful. So this is the test site. So welcomes everybody. These are two quick links that I think a lot of folks use quite often. A link to our enrollment status sheet, and then a link to the student plan. So if you click this one, it will lead you to our new rollover invoice, SSBC, blah, blah, blah. This is just our enrollment status sheet. You can see there's the test log on it, and there's the enrollment, there's the enrollment status, etc. So it's the sheet we use all the time. Student plans takes you to your Google Drive, and you can jump into the plans easily from there within the specific team drive. I'll try to link it straight to the Don team drive, and if you're signed in, it will take you right there. So two kind of quick links that I think will be used the most. Under our About page, just kind of a reminder of what the program's all about. You can read this for yourself, but just the biggest thing on this page, it's just a reminder. We want to treat each person on the team, and that's not in here, but I'm just saying it. We want to treat each team member as well as each student we serve like a family member. So that's very key, and there's some more details than that. This is a link to our handbook / operations manual. If you open that, you can always kind of refresh your mind on, how we go about operating on a daily basis, and, any of the particulars in terms of our policy. And then if you want any marketing materials, any links to news stories, and I'm adding in all the great coverage we've gotten recently. So there will be a link to all the marketing material there. Now we'll jump to the student information tab. So this is kind of more key information. Here's a link to the site coordinator report, or the site coordinator spreadsheet for the coordinators. Enrollment status, it's the same link that's on the home page, but it's here again because I know that's frequently accessed. Student OGT scores. This is a spreadsheet that can be viewed. This information that you're seeing here is what folks have passed or need still, and that's updated pretty frequently. It's not always like right up to date, and there are some pieces that may not be 100% accurate, but if you need to quickly look something up, it's a terrific resource. So you'll have OGT scores just in case you were wondering on somebody. Student contact information. Now, I should actually state this. The images aren't linked currently, and I'm fixing this. The images aren't currently linked to the sheet, just the titles below. But the student contact information will lead to a call list with students' names and numbers. So go back to the site. So that's student information, coordinator report, enrollment status, OGT score information if you're trying to quickly find what a student's passed or needs, student contact information if you're trying to find a number, which I know we often are, maybe an email too. We don't frequently have those, but we'll try to make a major effort to get that this school year. Student plans, link again to the plans, to the Google Drive, so you can quickly get into a student's plan if that's what you're looking for. State approval list. This will let you know, pardon me, if a student has been reviewed by the state of Ohio. Essentially, when we have Michelle reviewed okay to finalize, that means the state's looked at it and the plan in the system is approved. If it says ready for Michelle's review, it means we've sent the information to Michelle. This is the person at Ohio Department of Education who essentially audits the plan. It's been sent to her but not reviewed yet. Obviously, something like this question mark symbol means we're still working on the plan. So just some insights on that because that's something new. ADP and CP, what the heck am I talking about? Well, these are coming soon. The adult diploma program is another method for students to earn their high school diploma. Again, they have to be 22, similar to our 22 plus program, but they earn a career credential and pass this work keys test, and they don't have to recover credit. So as soon as we build out more information on this program and kind of have a data structure for it, I'll link here. And then CP is our career preparation. We are making a major effort in conjunction with Hamilton County to take our graduates and make sure that they get a career credential. Our first dive into that is in the form of the chemical dependency counselor assistant certification that we're offering, but we're also going to be offering our certified fiber optic technician training through Tom Collins, who's helped a number of our students in the past. So the career preparation, and it's kind of available, but the documents and the way we're going to structure how students kind of flow through this isn't set. So I still have coming soon, but it definitely is rolling out soon. Meet the team. I think everybody already knows how to contact one another, but I never want to assume. I've got a link to everyone's name, and set up a meeting. It's just a link to their email. When you click it, it's going to take you to if you have set up on your computer a way to auto email, it's going to take you to an email that's already set to message that person. Sorry. Oh my God. All right. So anyway, that's kind of the website, and I'm really pleased that we're able to do this. I think we've been working towards more ways to be efficient. I know we have a lot of information living on a number of spreadsheets. Just tying it together where these sheets can be accessed in kind of one housing, I think is important. I'll be going over everyone's individual responsibilities. You'll see how your role is tied in to making all of this kind of more feasible and more accessible for everyone. So hope you like the preview of our new internal site. Thanks.